Meaning of drink.
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 Drink. The word drink refers to the act of consuming liquids, typically water or other beverages, through the mouth. When a person drinks, they take in fluids that can help to quench thirst, hydrate the body, or provide nutrients and energy. Drinking can have both positive and negative effects on a person's health, depending on factors such as the type and quantity of beverage consumed. Regular, moderate consumption of certain drinks, like water and herbal tea, can be beneficial, while excessive consumption of alcohol or sugary beverages can lead to health problems.